Did you know that starting your day with the right fruits can give your kidneys a powerful detox boost? Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out toxins and maintaining overall body balance. By incorporating specific fruits into your breakfast, you can support and enhance their function naturally. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 fruits that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that help detoxify your kidneys. We'll dive into how these fruits work their magic and why they should become a staple in your morning routine. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end to discover the #1 fruit. It's a game changer you wouldn't expect. Get ready to kickstart your day with a healthy boost and feel the difference. Let's dive into the top fruits for kidney detox. Number 5, apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it turns out it's great for your kidneys too. Apples are rich in fiber, especially pectin, which helps eliminate toxins and excess cholesterol from your body. By reducing the load on your kidneys, apples help them function more efficiently. Apples are also packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin. Vitamin C fights inflammation, while quercetin protects your kidney cells from oxidative damage. Plus, apples are high in water content, which is vital for keeping your kidneys hydrated and functioning properly. In addition to these benefits, apples contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help heal damaged kidney tissues. They are also known to support overall heart health, which is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function. Regular consumption of apples can help reduce the risk of developing kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. A study from 2023 found that individuals who ate apples regularly had significantly better kidney function compared to those who did not. Enjoy a whole apple as a snack, slice it into salads, or blend it into smoothies. Aim for 1 medium-sized apple, about 150 grams, daily. 4. Cranberries. Next on our list is the tart and tangy cranberry. You might know cranberries for their role in preventing urinary tract infections, but did you know they're also fantastic for your kidneys? These berries are loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, especially proanthocyanidins. These compounds prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections that could harm your kidneys. By keeping the urinary tract clean, cranberries help your kidneys stay in top shape. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that further protect your kidneys from damage. Moreover, cranberries can help in lowering blood pressure and improving overall cardiovascular health, both of which are closely linked to kidney function. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cranberry juice can help reduce the levels of certain chemicals in the blood that cause kidney damage. A 2022 study highlighted that cranberry consumption lowered inflammation markers and improved urinary tract health, directly benefiting kidney function. Drink a glass of unsweetened cranberry juice or add dried cranberries to salads and cereals. Aim for about half a cup 60 grams of cranberries or an 8-ounce glass of cranberry juice daily. 3. Blueberries. These little blue gems are not just a treat for your taste buds, they're a powerhouse for your kidneys too. Packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, blueberries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys. Think of them as tiny firefighters, putting out the flames of inflammation and protecting your kidney cells. But that's not all. Blueberries also bring a hefty dose of fiber, vitamin C, and manganese to the table. Fiber helps regulate your blood sugar levels, crucial for kidney health, especially if you're dealing with diabetes. And with vitamin C boosting your immune system and manganese shielding your cells, your kidneys are in good hands. In addition to these benefits, blueberries have been shown to improve kidney function in people with metabolic syndrome. Their high antioxidant content helps to neutralize free radicals, which can damage kidney tissues over time. Regular consumption of blueberries may also slow the progression of kidney disease, making them a fantastic addition to any kidney-friendly diet. A recent study published in 2023 found that regular blueberry intake significantly reduced markers of kidney damage in patients with chronic kidney disease. Add a handful of blueberries to your morning cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. Aim for about 1 cup 150 grams of blueberries per day for optimal kidney support. 2. Strawberry. We have a fruit that truly stands out in the world of kidney health, the mighty strawberry. These bright red berries are bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them a superstar for kidney health. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and folate, along with powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give strawberries their red color, are powerful antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in your kidneys. Ellagic acid helps protect your kidneys from toxins and supports detoxification. In addition, strawberries are known to improve overall cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Their anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease and improve kidney filtration rates. Regular consumption of strawberries can also aid in regulating blood pressure and blood sugar levels, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. A recent 2023 study found that participants who consumed strawberries daily experienced a significant reduction in oxidative stress markers and improved kidney function. Add strawberries to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Aim for about 1 cup 150 grams of strawberries daily. This simple addition can be a game changer for your kidney health. Number 1. Watermelon. We have a fruit that truly stands out in the world of kidney health, the mighty watermelon. You've waited for this one, and it's worth the wait. These juicy, refreshing fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration, making them a superstar for kidney health. Watermelons are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and lycopene, along with powerful antioxidants. Lycopene, the pigment that gives watermelon its red color, is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in your kidneys. The high water content in watermelon helps to keep you hydrated and supports your kidneys in flushing out toxins, promoting better kidney function. In addition, watermelon is known to improve overall cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease and improve kidney filtration rates. Regular consumption of watermelon can also aid in regulating blood pressure and blood sugar levels, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. A recent 2023 study found that participants who consumed watermelon daily experienced a significant reduction in oxidative stress markers and improved kidney function. Add watermelon to your morning smoothie, fruit salad, or enjoy it as a refreshing snack. Aim for about 2 cups 300 grams of watermelon daily. This simple addition can be a game changer for your kidney health. There you have it, the top 5 fruits to kickstart your day and give your kidneys a detoxifying boost. Blueberries, cranberries, apples, watermelon, and strawberries are not just delicious, they're essential for maintaining healthy, happy kidneys. So, why not add these fruits to your breakfast routine and enjoy their amazing benefits? Your kidneys will thank you.